Hello there. Greetings from Florence. I am Anjani Kumar, founder of Multi-Cloud 4U, who manages Fifth IR and Vcarddly. Fifth IR was built to manage the needs of the fifth industrial revolution, and one of the important transformations is happening around human touch, human-to-human networking, and community. For decades, business cards have remained virtually unchanged. We print them, we exchange them, and eventually they end up misplaced, outdated, or discarded. But networking has evolved. Your business card should evolve with it. That's exactly why we created Vcarddly, our intelligent digital business card platform, powered by the 5-Thir NFC Business Card. With a simple tap on an NFC-enabled smartphone or by scanning the QR code, your complete professional profile opens instantly. No mobile application to install, no complicated setup. Just one tap and you're connected. But Vcarddly is far more than a digital version of a paper card. It becomes your complete digital identity. Share your phone numbers, email addresses, company profile, website, social media, WhatsApp, Google Maps, location, product catalog, brochures, videos, payment links, Google review page, appointment booking links, and much more. All from a single professional profile. Here's what makes it truly powerful. Your printed card never becomes outdated. If your phone number changes, your email changes, your designation changes, or even your company changes, simply update your profile once. Everyone who taps or scans your card automatically receives your latest information. No reprinting, no wasted cards, no unnecessary expense. Whether you're an entrepreneur, consultant, doctor, architect, real estate professional, sales executive, content creator, or part of a large enterprise, Vcarddly helps you create a memorable first impression. Our Android and iPhone applications allow you to update your profile anytime, manage your digital presence, and ensure your business information is always current. You remain in complete control of your professional identity. Wherever you are, you can choose from hundreds of professionally designed templates, create your own custom branding, or upgrade to our premium metal and luxury NFC business cards for an even stronger executive presence. At 5-Thir, we believe networking should be intelligent, sustainable, secure, and effortless. We're not simply replacing paper business cards. We're redefining how professionals connect, build relationships, and create opportunities in the digital era. If you're ready to modernize the way you network, I invite you to experience Vcarddly. Discover our free digital business cards, premium NFC cards, luxury executive collections, and enterprise solutions designed for teams of every size. Thank you for watching. I look forward to welcoming you to the growing Vcarddly community. Have a wonderful day.